Everyone, today we're going to be making a classic Chinese home-style dish, and this is using some pickled sour mustards. So this is some mustard greens that have been pickled. I have some pork belly here. Usually use pork. I have about a quarter pound of pork belly. It's already been sliced thinly, so I'm going to just slice it into little chunks, and a little piece of ginger. So let me show you the recipe. So this is the mustard green. I've rinsed it out and I'm just going to slice it up. It's actually just a half a mustard plant, and so you can see the inside cores right here. It's very soft, so it's very tender. Just going to chop this up. Okay, I've sliced everything up, sliced up the ginger, the pickled mustard, and the pork belly. So now we're going to stir fry it up. To a pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil, and we're going to add all of the pork belly first. We're going to season with some garlic salt and black pepper. Add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add a little bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And there you have it. So let me plate this up. And there you have it. Very simple, old school Chinese home-style recipe of pickled mustard greens and pork belly. Lots and lots of ginger to flavor it. A little bit of sugar and vinegar to season it. So let me know if you give it a shot, how it goes in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to support my channel. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.